Okay, guys, we have arrived at our room. We are on deck 10, room 1655. This room here is an interior balcony. And there's my helper, Santa Allen.
Ho, ho, ho.
And I'm going to give you guys a tour.
All right, it's a virtual balcony on Navigator of the Seas.
Yes. And then right here you have your safety information, muster drill, where you would meet up at.
Yeah, for this particular room, muster station is D20, which is in the main dining room.
All right, then over here you have your closet with your safety life jackets. You have plenty of hangers.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go over here and check out the bathroom. All right, this is your standard bathroom. We have the shower.
No dreaded shower curtain. That's beautiful.
And then you have some shelving up there. You have your bath towels. You have some space down here at the bottom to put your personal items. Hi, guys. And then you have behind here more space. And then you have some drinking glasses. Then when you come out of the bathroom, you have my assistant.
Alrighty, we've got your vanity here. Lights on both sides. That's the light switch for it. You've got your control here for your AC. Kick it up, turn it down. We want it as cold as possible. Put it in the comments below, guys. How do you do your air? Do you like it warmer or colder? So with that, we've got a European outlet here. We've got two regular AC outlets over here. We definitely recommend that you bring like a multi-USB charger to get everything charged. We got storage on each side of the mirror, here and over here. You got all your standard drawers here. You do have a hair dryer in one of them. The rest of them, of course, are all empty. We've got a cooler here. So a fair amount of room in there to keep your waters or sodas or what have you cool. You've got your safe here. Not big enough to put a laptop, but it is big enough to put your passports and your personal important documents, that type of stuff. Got a couple more shelves up here to store some things. You got your TV. It does adjust, so when you're in bed you can watch it. You've got your bed here, which separates into two twin-size beds with a nightstand on each side. And the telephone does have a USB port on it, so you can charge at a really slow rate, but you can charge on that telephone as well. And then, of course, a couple of night lights there. And we've got the virtual balcony over here. This should show you what's going on outside. It's the first time with a virtual balcony on Navigator of the Seas, but that's the port that we're at right now, so we're assuming that that changes with the time of day and the ship location. And then you got a full-size vanity mirror here, so you can check yourself out before you leave the room. And that's it. So again, thanks for watching Sugar and Allen's Travel Channel. And if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, hitting that like button on your way out, and we'll see you on our next adventure.
Bye, guys.